This real estate advantage property video is presented by Cynthia Johnson. Welcome to this newly renovated home close to shopping and restaurants. This home has a new kitchen with cabinets, countertops and an oversized sink. The first floor laundry with new laminate flooring is off the kitchen. New carpet in the living room, den, stairs and upstairs landing. New laminate flooring in the kitchen, dining room, laundry room, bathroom and all 3 bedrooms. New bathroom with tub surround and bathtub along with a new vanity, sink and toilet. Some new windows with screens. Newly painted throughout the whole house. A detached garage for parking and storage. A large, fenced yard with 2 gates. Move-in ready. Don't let this one get away. Please remove shoes. For more information,